Sockets are essential components for creating reliable electrical connections in homes, offices, and various settings. These devices, often integrated into walls or power strips, provide the means to connect electrical appliances, chargers, and other devices to power sources. Available in various types, sizes, and configurations, sockets offer versatility in power connectivity. They facilitate safe and efficient energy transfer, allowing seamless use of electronic devices while ensuring safety standards and compatibility with different plugs and appliances.